corner and it's time to decorate our homes for the season. This mantle has pops of pink for a soft, romantic feel, vintage charm, and a very special collection of vintage Valentine cards that belong to my pawpaw. We're also going to put together a Valentine's Day centerpiece.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion.
I've added these faux pink florals to create a soft, romantic touch to the mantle. And by using a variety of pinks, it helps to add almost like an ombre monochromatic look, and it adds a little bit of depth and texture to the space.
I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
I wanted to share with you today this collection of vintage Valentine Day cards that belongs to my pawpaw. He was a science teacher and a coach back in the 1950s, and these were given to him from his students. And first of all, I just think that is so cute that he kept all of these cards all of these years. He must have been a really amazing teacher because they picked out very special cards for him.
Yeah, I'm falling in love.
I think what makes these Valentine cards so meaningful to me is the connection to my pawpaw and the time he spent as a teacher. I can just picture little Ina Merle going to the store and picking out the most perfect Valentine card for her teacher, carefully writing her name and being so excited to come to school that day and present this Valentine card to him, just like all of these other students.
Tree, the last weekend of summer, the empire at our fingertips, the autumn to discover. If I would have had the worthiness to be the perfect lover, would you stay under the willow tree when I asked if you would be? Would you be my Valentine? Would you be?
These vintage Valentine Day cards, they're not just a piece of paper. They are my pawpaw's legacy. And by me being able to share that with you today, a little piece of him will live on.
Be my Valentine. Still I lie within a memory, devoted as your lover. You could take my hands and cover your eyes and tell me there's no other. Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Valentine.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you. I'm gonna go where my heart is. From now on, I'm being honest. I'm gonna show that I got this love. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you.
These cards truly are a time capsule of the 1950s. The handwriting, the students' names, the designs on each one is just classic for the 1950s era. And it not only represents the life of my pawpaw, but these cards represent the life of his students. And by displaying these pieces in our home, their memories will live on with us. And that's why I love vintage pieces, is because of the memory and the stories that they tell of the people that came before us.
Not afraid to love you. Not afraid to love you.
I hope this decor inspires you to add a little bit of vintage Valentine charm to your house this holiday season. And thanks so much for taking a walk down memory lane with me as I shared those vintage Valentine Day cards that were my pawpaws. If you enjoyed this vintage Valentine's Day video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button also. I'll see you next time. Happy decorating!